time to raise a glass. The sun's shining bright for a day full of class. Bonehook Brewery is the place we all meet. Captain's dinner on a Friday to set up our seat. We've come together, a colorful crew, fins and skins tawny, our hearts are true blue. In the Gulf at 6, we're casting for sharks, reeling in laughter, leaving our mark. From sun up to sundown, we're chasing a score, creating memories, we know what's in store. With friends by our side, we're wild and we're free. Tonight we party like nobody can see. Fins and skins make the world feel alive. In this tournament, together we thrive. From the water to the greens, we share all we can. Make golf fun again. Call on the mulligan man. Yeah, call on the mulligan man. As the sun rolls high, we grab our golf clubs, swinging for birdies, sharing friendly jabs. On the fairway so green, we're making a scene. Good jokes and a bad shot, call on mulligan man. Camaraderie flows like a warm ocean tide. Each stroke tells a story of joy and a pride. For foster kids, that's what it's about. This clay bomb and rain any down. Fins and skins make the world feel alive. In this tournament, together we thrive. From the water to the greens, we share all we can. Make golf fun again. Call on the mulligan man. Call on the mulligan man. When the day turns to evening, the festivities rise. Underneath the stars with laughter we'll fly. Celebrate together, all playing our parts. With good food and good friends, we fill up our hearts. So raise your glass high, here's to the fun. Fins and skins tawny, we've just begun. From the Gulf to the greens, we're making it right. For foster kids shining under the night.